Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a device in order to be used on a different carrier other than the one that it originally came from. By default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used with the original carrier, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or a different network. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy J2, and this one is from Straight Talk here in the US. And this is a device that has not yet been SIM unlocked because, as we can see here in the notification panel, when we have a different SIM card inserted, we do get their message saying that the SIM card is invalid and that it is network locked. But we're making this video to let all of our customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get this device unlocked, and that's actually exactly what we're going to do right here, right now in the video. Now, the SIM card has to be out in order for us to be able to run our specific unlock program on it. I just wanted to show you first that the device is actually truly locked to begin with, so that you know that we're not trying to trick anyone or advertise any types of false services here. So I should mention that this is something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world, so you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can connect to you directly through the internet and be able to perform the exact same procedure that we're doing right here, right now. We've been contacted by tons of customers over the couple years since this phone has been released, asking for help with getting it unlocked. Now, Straight Talk is owned by TracFone. They're kind of a larger conglomeration that owns a bunch of different prepaid brands here in the US. But TracFone or Straight Talk will unlock the phone for you at request, like most carriers will, assuming that you meet all of the requirements. But one of the requirements is that you have the device active for a total of a whole year with them. So after it's purchased, it has to be used with active service for an entire year, 12 months with them, before they will do the SIM unlock for you. And that's a pretty high requirement in today's market. Other carriers ranges from anywhere from 30 days to maybe 6 months, but I think Straight Talk is the only one that we've ever seen that requires a whole year of active service. So that's kind of extraordinary when it comes to unlocking these days. So we've been contacted by tons of customers who wanted to change carriers before those 12 months were up and wanted to get the phone unlocked to be used on a different carrier, but of course, since they hadn't had it the 12 months, Straight Talk would not do it for them. So this is something that has been quite in demand over the past couple years, so we're excited to finally making a video showing that everyone that it is indeed possible, just so you know that there is a place to be able to go through without having to be stuck buying a different phone. Our unlock program is just finishing up here, so it should just take another couple seconds to wrap that up, and then we should be able to go ahead and pop our test SIM card back in and see that it does indeed work and get signal on it. So once we see, yep, so it's starting to reboot now, so we should be good to go ahead and pop our test SIM card back in there, which I'm going to do now. And the SIM card just happens to be from Cricket here in the US, which is the main prepaid brand and provider of AT&T. So they run on AT&T towers. Okay, so it's fully restarted here, and one of the first things that we'll notice is that we do no longer have that invalid SIM card notification in the drop-down menu there. And then if we look over to the right, we will be able to see, if my focus will cooperate, that we do have our LTE signal bars enabled there. If the focus will, and the screen keeps shutting off, which isn't helping me. But yes, you can just make it out there that the LTE signal bars are enabled there. So if we swipe away the lock screen, like I mentioned before, that invalid SIM card message is now gone. We don't have that up there in the corner. And then because the phone detects that a new SIM card has been inserted, it says that it's going to restart to configure new features supported by that SIM card. So we can fully see our LTE signal bars there enabled up top, so the device has now been fully unlocked and is able to be used with other compatible carriers. So if you have a Galaxy J2 from Straight Talk and would like help in getting its SIM unlocked, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of our details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Make sure to hit that subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.